Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester. In this video, we will walk you through the steps for testing your trading strategies to see how they perform based on historical data. This can be a powerful tool for traders looking to refine their methods and improve their performance. First, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and select the strategy tester by clicking on the View menu at the top and selecting Strategy Tester. You can also use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Once the strategy tester window is open, you will see various options for configuring your testing parameters. Next, choose the expert advisor you want to test from the drop-down menu. After selecting your expert advisor, you can set the symbol and time frame for the testing period. Be sure to also specify the testing model, such as every tick, which provides the most accurate results. Select the date range for your backtest and adjust other parameters as needed based on your trading strategy. Finally, click the Start button to begin testing. Once the test is complete, review the results in the Results and Graph tabs. Analyze the performance metrics to understand how well your strategy would have performed during the selected time period. Use this information to make adjustments to your strategy and test again if necessary. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.